Everybody else who followed behind him believed in it too. They said, if he was able to make it happen, I can as well. What is up, online CEOs? In this video, I want to talk about real quick about what the 4-minute mile is and how does it pertain to you. The first person who broke the 4-minute mile in a single minute was a guy named Roger Bannister. It was back in 1954. Now here's the interesting part. Back then, it was believed that it was physically not possible for somebody to run 4-minute mile until Roger Bannister did it. And he did it in the worst conditions on a rainy day, still was able to make it happen. The question you have to ask yourself, why? Why was it until that point that it was not possible? Here's the funny part. Literally after he broke the 4-minute mile, dozens and dozens of people have broken it, and today it's kind of like an industry standard, if you will, to have a 4-minute mile. The question is, what happened? Roger Bannister believed first that he could run the 4-minute mile in the time that he did. Everybody else who followed behind him believed in it too. They said, if he was able to make it happen, I can as well, right? There's no difference between the two. But it all started with belief. So let me ask you this for you specifically. In your business, maybe you have struggled to get leads, right? Maybe you have struggled to get clients. Maybe you're quote unquote not good at sales. Maybe you have struggled to build an automated system that attracts leads and get clients and all that good stuff, client delivery. But have you ever asked yourself if you're actually hindering yourself by believing those things are not possible for you? Maybe you're saying, oh, I'm not an extrovert, hence I'm not good at sales. But maybe the reason why you're not good at sales is because you actually haven't sold or tried to sell anything. You can't expect people to actually be good at something that they've actually never done.
Goddamn right.
It all starts with belief, right? In our case, for example, I was the 4-minute mile breaker in a sense for my family, right? I come from the Dominican Republic, not a privileged place, third world country. English is not even my first language. You can see me stuttering in my words right here. For us, we were able to hit 7 figures. Now we live in this amazing penthouse right here in Miami. But it all started with a belief, right? I broke the 4-minute mile, and now my cousin was able to achieve 7 figures very quickly, a lot faster than I did because I broke the 4-minute mile first. So for you, I want to ask you is what is going to take to break your 4-minute mile? The reason why, for example, we share our success stories and our client success stories more than anything, you can see some of them right here in this page, is because I want you to believe what's possible. Is it going to be easy? No, it's not going to be easy. It's going to take work. It's going to be probably like a lot of long nights. You're going to have to learn stuff, do stuff that's uncomfortable for you. Yeah, but that's the whole point of growth. You go through pain to grow. Similar thing here, but it is going to be simple and it is possible. So if you want help breaking your 4-minute mile inside of your business, if you want more clients, more leads, have a better automated system inside of your business, and you want us to help you do it completely done for you and even done with you to show you exactly the way, this would be a button down below this page where you can schedule a call with either myself or one of the advisors or my team. We'll walk you through everything, show you everything with just cold, hard proof on how we can help you break the 4-minute mile for you, because it is actually possible. You can definitely achieve and build a business that you actually want, that you're proud of, that makes the income that you want and also the impact that you want. And that's what we're here to do. So click the link included with this down below. It's going to take you to a little calendar. Fill it out. We'll jump on a call with you and then see if we can actually help you. And again, all comes down to belief. The question is, which one are you going to believe? Do you believe you can't break your 4-minute mile, or are you actually going to believe that you can? At the end of the day, if you believe you can't or you believe you can, you're actually right, because that's what's actually going to happen. So let's do it. Let's break your 4-minute mile. Click the link below.